friends, today we are going to make mini desk organizer. So things needed: one empty box, matchbox, a paper glass, bead, Fevikwik, glue, scissor and some tinted sheets. Now take this box and then cut it into middle. It will look like this. Now take the paper cup and the matchbox and then cover it with paper. It will look like this. Now take the glue, apply glue here, and then stick it like this. Now take the bead and the Fevikwik. Apply Fevikwik here and then stick the bead. Your mini desk organizer is ready.